Let me tell you about my dual zone camper van refrigerator. I received a SetPower PT45 47.6 quart camper fridge 12-volt refrigerator, freezer, dual zone, and dual temperature on June 8th, 2023. The refrigerator has been in my camper van for 13 months and it has not been turned off since day one. My first RV refrigerator was strictly a refrigerator, which is okay for short weekend trips, but if you're camping for extended periods of time, a true dual fuel zone refrigerator and separate freezer is a luxury you will grow to appreciate. The unit on September 11, 2024 is priced on Amazon for $379. Thanks for stopping by, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.